GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Come with me. We're going to see the sunset. It's Sunday evening and we are stroll out. So my husband wanted to take us to see the sunset. He knows I'm not a fan of road trips, but like I want to say we drove for like an hour and a half because he wanted us to see it from like this bridge. It's so beautiful, he says, so we're going. We're driving through an area that is being developed, but it is so good to just get away from the hustle and the bustle. See if you can inhale some of the fresh air that's coming from the trees. It's a good drive. So I'll find relaxing music that's going to be worth your while so that you can watch to the end.
You're teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone, unraveling my plans. Make me whole again, rebuild me from the inside out, in a way only you know how. You're teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone, unraveling my plans. Make me whole again, rebuild me from the inside out, in a way only you know how. Something more than this shallow survival. God, I need you. God, I need you. Father, bring me redemption. Renew my heart with a resurrection.
It's good. Very sweet.
Do you grow them?
The watermelon.
Ah.
So how much for the watermelon? $10. $10. Give me a good one. You like quesito, seedless? Seed.
Oh, it's dragon fruit?
So how you can tell this one is good? Ready to eat. Yes? Yeah. I don't know,
Yeah.
25 years. I don't know.
Accident go on over here? So initially I thought this was, an accident, because typically if someone met in an accident, they would put up like a cross with some flowers. But this is basically a spot where they are honoring and remembering people from 9/11, those who died in 9/11. Such a disastrous time. When I read the stories, oh my gosh, it's very devastating. So may their souls rest in peace. The melon was so sweet. Guys, listen, I kid you not. One of the sweetest watermelons I've had. With 2 fluxy mango. $10.
Ooh, you don't want these mangoes to be crushed.
Can you see how bleak it is? We're getting there, but the cloud, there's a cloud that's about to cover the sun. So we actually did not get to see the sunset. It would have been so beautiful. See? But there's a cloud. So we would have been looking at it from this bridge that we're approaching right here. So we did get here in good time. It's just that I don't know, the cloud. There was a cloud that covered the sun. So we did not get to see it. So we'll have to do that again another time. And since it's Sunday evening, I guess he wanted to make it up to us. So he was like, do you guys want ice cream? And I was like, yeah, because ice cream fix everything. Look at the ocean. All right, see, there it is. That would have been so beautiful if it was not covered by the cloud. But we give thanks Now we're moving on. So we're going to actually stop at Publix to get ice cream. Now the ice cream that we're gonna get has to be something like in a small tub that we can actually eat, because of the long drive home it is going to melt. So yeah.
Remember the chicken for the nacho cheese?
Croissant. Well, there she is.
Like, look at the signs. Just look at the signs. Ooh, Mama, look at this.
What I need now. Oh, I need you now.
Bye-bye.
Come buy one, get one free on it. You can't get it over here, so
Come, Agandag, let's go. Look at the flavors.
Look at the flavors.
Kind of so cool. Come, it's cold in there.
That one.
Which one is that one? Which one is that?
Chocolate chip cookie. You know, I'm gonna get my cookie dough. Make sure there's a dough in it.
Here, one, baby. I'll buy one, get one free.
Oh, I should say.
Yeah, but the cherry vanilla.
You want to try that?
Mm.
Sorry. It's okay.
Better hide the open ones. I'm struggling.
You're not giving me any.
Because you're strong. Thank you.
Aga and Jack.
I do not like you. You get it all.
Alright, 9 fives.
9 5s, put down the fifth finger. 45.
9 eights.
Put down the eighth finger. 72.
9 9.
Put down the ninth finger. 81.
9 threes.
That 27.
2 nines.
18.
Did we do 7?
Don't think so.
Did we do 6? 9 sixes.
9 6s is 54.
Alright, explain. What are you doing with your fingers? Put back your fingers. What are you doing?
I'm doing my 9 times.
But like, what are you doing on your fingers? Put your finger into the frame.
So
Like 9 nines.
9 9s. You have to put down the ninth finger, and it gives you the answer. So this side.
So 5. So basically 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1.
No,
Is that it?
This is. So you're going to put these together. So this is 80, and then this is
That's what I
your
said.
ones.
Yes, I
No,
said
you said
81.
plus.
Okay, but that's how
So
it
5
works.
plus 3 plus 1.
Okay, so 9 sevens.
9 sevens is 63.
Ah, okay. I think I got it now. Good job.
It's like we're going into town.
Our Father, who art in heaven.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.